Good morning YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. We are out here in Oshkosh again and we're looking for some catfish. We're still looking for that flathead. Haven't had any luck, but we're just gonna try our best and have some fun. Now it is supposed to storm later, so we do have about 6, maybe just 5 hours to fish. And this train is coming, so I'm gonna hurry up and close this out. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys out in the water. So he's got it. He's got it. Something's touching it. Got it. That's a fish. First fish of the morning. Oh gosh. Oh jeez. He's standing real hard. Gotta keep him on top. There's some sharp rocks down there. What is it? It's a catfish. Nice. Keep it down low, keep it down low. Chill bro, chill, chill, chill. Stay on top. Nice. First cat of the morning, guys. It's a dandy one too. These are good eaters right here. Oh gosh, that's cool. Only a couple minutes in. Oh jeez. Nice little channel. It's like for the bigger ones. Yes. That's the reason why I try to keep it on top of the water, because he took me to the rocks and look at this, all frayed up. It's about to break off. So while I set this guy out, cast the other guy in there. I'm gonna tie up a longer leader. I feel like it's just too short. I mean, that's good because we're gonna stay at the bottom anyways, but it's not giving them enough length to eat it and pretty much pick it up and go. So they pick it up and they feel weight and they drop it right away. So I think we need a longer leader. Again, because of the sharp rocks, we're going 30-pound fluoro. And this sun is just cooking my face right now. So I'm going 30-pound fluoro. Yeah, let's see where this goes. We're on. Yep, yep. He's on, he's on, he's on. Got him. Yep. Oh, jeez. Oh, dude, the other one's going too. The other one's going too. Gotta keep him up. Keep him up. Where is this? Another nice cat. Oh, it's a giant. Oh shit, my bang. Oh, my bang. Oh yeah, he's shallow, right? That's a nice clean fish. Oh gosh. It's another nice cat to eat if you guys want one. It's a beautiful fish, look at that. Wow. Made it cause so much commotion. I was kind of asking for it anyways, putting that thing right there. Man. Something got that one. Kill him, kill him. That's a big fish. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of freaking power. Oh, jeez. Get out. Oh, jeez. That's a big fish. Oh, it's in the rocks. It's in the rocks. It's in the rocks. Oh. Nice fish. That's a nice fish. There we go. That's a big channel. Oh my gosh. That was a flathead. Woo. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a dandy catfish. Oh my gosh. That's an OG right there. Oh, that's an OG. Oh, holy cow. That is a nice cat. Oh. This dude got so much power. Check this out, boys. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Let me get a better angle. Look at that beast, boys. Probably can't see me, but that is a nice channel catfish right there. It is a beaut. Holy cow. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, off it goes. Holy smoke, that was a big one. That was freaking giant. Wow. Crazy. Got him. There we go. Oh, that guy's digging. Get out of the rocks. Get out of the rocks. Oh my gosh, this guy's digging. Oh, they're way in the middle, all right. Woo. Nope. Stay out of the rocks. Look at that thing. That thing just peeling. It's peeling my drag. I don't think it's that big. Just a nice kitty. Yes, yes. Oh yeah, it's another nice kitty. I'll take it. They just fight so hard. Oh, that's actually a nice female. Oh, backflip and everything. Oh, okay, bro. Chill. I won't make fun of you. Jeez. I'll let you go. Don't worry. Go back, do your thing, shawty. You go back and do your thing. Nice dandy girl. She's a pretty girl too. Ready to go, shawty? Yeah, I think you're ready to go. Wow, so exciting. Hell yeah. All right. This casting grow off far to the middle seems to work very well. It's definitely more productive, so we're gonna keep doing it. They're probably in the current over there. They're not shallow anymore, pretty much. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, that's a nice cat. Oh, my bad. I got that little thing in my mouth. Whatever this is. Oh, he's not coming out. He's not coming out. And I turned off my DSLR. What is this, a turtle? Oh, it's a fighter for sure. Yeah, where are you, buddy? Oh, it's another nice kitty. Nice kitty. Oh, that's a nice kitty. Oh, don't touch that fork, bro. It's disgusting. All right, holy dude, you are. Oh, bro, you're one long dude with a big head. Oh, jeez. Chill, 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 chill. All right, a dandy male or spot on female, I don't know. Really? It's gonna get a nice release on you. Jeez. I'm gonna flush this carp out the way, dude. It's disgusting. Oh, dude, gross. It stinks too. Oh, I poked through his head. Oh, dude, bro. Just go, man. Just get out of here. That's disgusting. I was standing in the water next to dude all this whole time. All right. Anyways, so we're changing up the tactic. We're casting way out to the deep, letting it drift into the, the ledge. If you're on boat, just drop it straight down to 20 feet of water. But other than that, yeah, it seems to be working. This morning it was all shallow bite, just like I want to say maybe 10 feet of water. But now they're definitely way into the channel. Other than that, come out here, give it a shot. We're gonna keep fishing for a little bit. It's only 8 o'clock. Like, believe it or not, I was here since I think 5:30. Yeah, it's 8:35. It's only been 3 hours and I caught numerous amount of catfish already. Stick around, we're just gonna look for that big one. I'll see you guys on the water. Sheesh. Peace. See ya. Non-stop, bro, like 30 cats already. Oh, that's what we're looking at right there. He's on. Oh, that rod bend. That's a cat. That, get all the rocks. Oh, that's a nice cat too. Get all the rocks. That's a nice cat right there. Woo! What a freaking workout. Oh, it's not even that big. It's a freaking fighter though. Oh, it's decent. He got a big head. Yeah, nice. Still a good cat. Man, what a freaking fight. Dude, you fall hard, bro. Oh, jeez. And he freaks out. I hate when they do that. Nice cat right there. So pretty. See ya. What do I want to be ya? Oh, and then we got. Dude, I just cast it. What the heck? Oh yeah, he's on. Oh, it broke off. My swivel broke off. Dang. Well, that's it for this guy. It's okay. We're about to leave anyways. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're gonna try one last time. Storm is rolling in hot, so hopefully this last one is a big one. Stay tuned. Go! That's the last fish. That's the last fish. Yes. That's just a big swim. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's a fighter. He is a fighter. Oh. Jeez. Way out there. It's not coming out. That's a nice cat. He's not coming out. Oh, I'm tired. What is that? Whoa. That's a giant. That's a nice one. So we ate his finish. This guy's giant. This thing's huge. Oh, that's a freaking tank. Oh, that's a double digit right there. That's a freaking double digit. That's a double digit. That's a freaking tank. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that beast. Look at that freaking, look at the head on this thing. Oh my gosh. That's a freaking double digit right there. I'm gonna weigh it real quick and I'm gonna let her go. But that thing is huge. 0-0. Just gotta get him right by the jaw here. Oh my gosh. There we go. 11, 12, 11, 13. Okay, that's good. Good enough. Yeah, look at the head on this thing. Like, it's freaking huge. Wow. I'm gonna close it here, guys. Another great day. Channel catfishing right here. Thing is huge. Holy smoke. Wow. Look at that thing. Alright guys, there's probably blood stain on this screen here, but we're gonna close it. We gotta hurry up, the storm is rolling in, so I'm still shaking. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time. We caught a last ginormous channel catfish out of the Fox River here. That was cool. I'm blessed. I feel good. I feel really good. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and I'm gonna do this again. That was cool.